Since 2001, No Fluff Just Stuff has been the gold standard for continuing professional education for software engineers. We pride ourselves on showcasing the best presenters in the industry, passionate, engaging, and informative. Our live conferences have served close to 100,000 attendees. We're now bringing our world-class training online. These half-day and full-day workshops are immersive, hands-on, and instructor-led. Our state-of-the-art classroom creates an interactive learning experience for all.
Other than a book or a video, the thing I love so much about these trainings is it's like having me on a Zoom call with you. Through our chat windows and stuff, we can actually ask questions and interact to actually get your questions answered.
Register now and master a new skill, or until May 31st, take advantage of our team subscription offer and get No Fluff Just Stuff quality training all year long.